Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro, USD, and GBP USD for Monday. If you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So, my dear friends, this is the chart of Euro, USD in front of us. I'm on a 4 hours time frame just to observe the market here, and we can see that overall the trend of the market is towards the downside, or in simple terms, simple words, sellers are dominating this market here. You can see here yields dollar rise after stronger than expected US PPI data. Yesterday, after PPI, there was sudden upside on the US dollar index, but ultimately we can see that dollar index closed at 104.27. In our earlier videos also we have discussed about DXY's chart, that DXY overall it is an uptrend, but yes, DXY has entered the zone again. So to continue the upside, DXY needs to go up again. Right after the market opening, if the US dollar index shows some downside, you can expect immediate support around 104 level, previous support, and then 103.70, this level where the previous resistance will be working as support here. So these are the two levels where we can expect that DXY will be taking support if it shows downside right after the market opening. But overall, the market sentiment is towards the upside, and because of the CPI and PPI, market is expecting that till the mid of this to 2024 or year, okay, there will be no rate cuts. So that will be, or that may be, driving US dollar index to the upside. Now let's look at the chart of Euro USD. If we simply observe the chart of Euro dollar, then we can see the market is going down, market is bearish, etc. But if we zoom in, we can see here that slowly market is being taken over by the buyers. Okay, or if I just ask you that, my dear friends, what do we see here? Do we see a bearish market? Do we see a seller's market? No, we just see a sideways market. So in the coming days or by coming week, there is a possibility that either we will see an upside on Euro USD, or we may see a sideways market on Euro USD, because already the Euro dollar has shown extreme downside. So there may be some consolidation, or there may be some revival, okay, on the chart of Euro USD. If you look at the higher time frame, like the 1 day time frame, we can see that already market has shown extreme price rejection from below. So we can expect that if Euro USD breaks 1.0800, the market will try to go up here. So 1.0800 will be an important or significant level for Euro USD. Okay, so if you already have taken any position, they can be on the trade, because if this is a transition, then still not clear yet, but in the coming days, okay, in the coming days or by next week especially, we will hopefully we will get a clear picture. So 1.0800 is going to be an important level. If you're a day trader, if you see market struggling around this area, as a day trader you can look for a sell position. But on the other hand, if you see the dollar index is going down, and if you see Euro USD going up, in that case you can look for a buy position as well above 1.0800. But for a trend reversal or for any particular direction in the market, the backing of the fundamentals are very important. So stay in touch with the news as well, because without the backing of fundamentals, okay, a proper trend reversal is not possible for any chart. And right now I'm in the 1 hour time frame, because we are mostly day traders. Okay, so this level is far away. Now we can see on the chart of Euro USD that this level is working as resistance for the market. So right after the market opening, if we see Euro USD coming down, we can look for buy around 1.0740 to 1.0730. This is the next level where we can look for a buy position on Euro USD, because if we just focus on this particular portion of the chart here as a day trader, we can see that we have FEB 50% retracement level. Along with that, the previous resistance will be working as support here, and if we combine all the factors, this level seems to be a nice one. And if you are a risk taker, if you love to take risks, if risk is your middle name, you can also look for buy around 1.0760, especially during the Asian and European session, because we have FIBO 23.6% retracement level. It is not a good level, but day traders can expect some bounce around here. Monday, Asian and European session are slow sessions, so there is not much volume. You can expect these levels to work as well. Only for day traders, okay? Otherwise, if you're a positional trader, if you're a swing trader, wait for the market to give you a proper bounce, or wait for the market to break this level here, okay? And if market reverses from here, you can look for a sell as well, but here try to avoid any position, because this is your no trading zone. And maybe there is a transition in the market, so it will take a couple of days to understand whether we have a trend reversal or not. And right after the market opening, if you see Euro USD coming down, we can look for buy around these areas as well. Okay, overall not very a clear picture. In this type of market situation, when the charts are very complicated and difficult to understand, custom indicators like chart prime are very useful. You can see how beautifully the two indicators of chart prime has indicated or helped us with the buy and sell signals. This is the prime oscillator pro. You can see prime oscillator pro has given a sell signal here. It has given a buy here, and it has given a buy. Apart from giving the buy and sell signals, it also tells us about the hidden divergences in the market. If you prefer to trade on momentum, then yes, divergence can be very useful, and it also marks the overbought and oversold levels like the others. But the prime oscillator pro is a very powerful tool, and you can see the market oracle pro has also given the buy and sell signals. So if you're looking for a custom indicator, then yes, chart prime can be the best solution for you, because not only you will be able to analyze the market better, but the trading signals on the chart will also help you to take your trading to the next level. They have three powerful indicators. You can see market oracle pro, market dynamics pro, and prime oscillator pro. Okay, and you can see they have got lots and lots of 5-star reviews from their clients. It means that the indicators are really helpful. And my dear friends, you can see this is the pricing here. At first you can go with the premium monthly, because they also offer 7 days money back guarantee. If you're not happy, you can ask for the money back, okay? But feel free to check out chart prime if you're looking for a solution. The link will be in the description. So my dear friends, let's talk about British pound, US dollar, GBP USD. Unlike Euro USD, we do not have any clear market structure or transition here. Overall, we can see a mess, or you can say that we have an indecision going on in the Euro USD. If we look at the daily chart of Euro dollar, my dear friends, we can see after this up move, market is sideways. And if we observe the present candles, we can see that market is taking support at the 200 moving average, and on Friday market from a doji, and doji signifies indecision in the market. So we do not have a clear trend present, and if we do not have a clear trend present, then it must be a sideways market, isn't it? But we do not have a clear sideways market also, because sideways market or range bound market are easier to trade, because we just need to be patient. Buy at support, sell at resistance is the best trading strategy. But here we do not have a clear sideways market also. Rather, we have a choppy market, and it is difficult to understand the trend here. So if you're not madly in love with GBPUSD, I will suggest that you should be looking for trading opportunities on other pairs, because I have a theory that we are traders, so we should only be trading where the opportunity is, right? And right now I do not see any right opportunities here. If I'm missing out anything, please write down in the comment section. I would love to learn. So here I think that if market goes up 1.2665 to 1.2685, the box that I have marked here is a level where we can expect some selling, because of sellers present around this area, because we have seen previous price ejection, plus we have the 200 moving average. So if market goes up and reverses, we can look for a sell around this area. And this is a sideways market. In sideways market or choppy market, the moving averages do not work properly. So though we have a 100 moving average around 2620, but we cannot rely much on it. So it would be better for us to rely on this particular portion of the chart where we have witnessed previous strong price rejection. So if market goes up after the market opening, we can look for a sell around this area. On the other hand, if market drops on Monday, and if the volume is not much high, we can look for buy around 1.2500, because 1.2500 is the support zone. Okay, if I zoom out the chart, you can see around this area we have a strong support. So if not a complete trend reversal, at least we can expect a bounce around this area. Apart from these two levels, I do not see any proper reliable trading opportunities. And moreover, we are retail traders, and for retail traders like us, it is not possible to understand the market at each and every price level. So it is better and safer for us to trade on the levels that we can understand. And right now, these are the only levels, okay, I think that we can trade on. Okay. And during next week, especially during the European session and Asian session, if GBPUSD shows some downside, you can also look for some buy around 1.25, 1.2550, 1.2540, just as a day trader for 25 to 30 pips bounce. Okay, because these are not major support levels, but at least as a day trader, in absence of volume, you can expect a bounce. So that's all from my side, my dear friends. My dear friends, probably you guys already know that the world's most affordable forex trading workshop is back again, that I conduct in both Hindi and English language. दोनों language में ही होता है. It's a 3 days workshop followed by 1 month support. And if you have lost money in the market, then only join. Means this workshop is not for complete beginners. If you have been struggling for last couple of months and years, then only join. Okay. And I have also shared my story on the website so that you can understand that nothing is impossible in the market. There's a questionnaire so that you can understand whether the workshop will be useful for you or not. Everything is mentioned on the website. You can see these are the topics that we will be dealing in the 3 days workshop. And as I said, it's a 3 days workshop followed by 1 month support, because I have realized as a trader, because previously I also had courses, then I saw that people were not making money. Then I understood that watching courses, watching pre-recorded lessons doesn't help, because support is extremely important so that you can understand in which direction you need to proceed. So after the 3 days workshop, okay, there will be support for 1 month, in which you will be receiving regular updates, analysis, news on the WhatsApp group. And we also have a Telegram community where you will be able to meet lots of traders from around the world. And there will be weekly lessons. These are the topics that we will be dealing during the weekly classes. And you can see the next workshop dates are for English 1st, 2nd and 3rd of March, and for Hindi classes 9th, 10th and 11th of March. If you have some work, don't need to worry, I record everything, because many people join, but due to time difference they cannot participate. So I record each and every session so that you can watch later. Classes are conducted via Google Meet. You will find a link on the day of the class. And how to join the workshop? You can see, my dear friends, it's for 3 days workshop with 1 month support. It's only $15 or rupees 1,000 for Indians. And these are the benefits that you will be receiving: regular market updates, weekly learning sessions, etc., etc. And trading takes time. It's a journey. We know it very well that during the journey we have many doubts, questions. For that, I have also arranged personal sessions with me so that you can clear your doubts. For that, you can also sign up for semi-annual and lifetime support. If you like my work, then I believe that the semi-annual and lifetime support will be very, very beneficial for you, because you can see these are the benefits that you will be receiving. Plus, you will be getting personal sessions with me to clear your doubts, to learn, etc. These are the payment methods. Once you're done with the payment, after making the payment, just share a screenshot to this number, WhatsApp number, or you can just email here with your WhatsApp number. Do not forget to forward your WhatsApp number so that I can add you to the group. You can join now also. I'm not a very commercial person, no need to worry. You will be receiving free updates, analysis, our live sessions till the workshop free of cost. After the workshop, yes, it will start officially, and you're most welcome to join. Okay, everything is in the website. The link is in the description. Feel free to check out.